Welcome to the informal newscast of bilingual investing called Crypto Climate. Jay here with you guys today, presenting the climatic pulse and forecast of the markets during the past week. But before we get into that, immediately let's actually review the fact that, guys, if you enjoy this type of content, if you're watching this video right now, like it, the algorithm would appreciate it, and also click on the subscribe button. We would really appreciate that, and then click on the notification bell so that you can stay tuned for our fresh off the press brand new videos. In the description down below, you'll find the link to our free educational playlist where you'll find dozens of videos about the cryptocurrency space, quality educational videos for free, guys. So immediately, the fear and greed index currently at 31 in 1 hour and 38 minutes is going to close, and we're going to have a brand new fresh number. I can't wait for that number because today has been an incredible day, a very volatile day in the cryptocurrency space. We're definitely going to review that in today's video. So, I can't wait for the refresh of that new value of the fear and greed index in a couple of hours, man. I cannot wait because right now, things are not looking as bad, but I believe this 30 level is going to break towards the downside, and we're probably going to at least revisit the 20, so we'll definitely have to keep our eye on that, and then we'll definitely update you guys on our next video. Don't forget, in the description down below, we also have the link to our website where you can find investment tools and resources, access to our social media pages such as Twitter. If you haven't done so, swing by, follow. We would gladly appreciate that. So immediately getting into the charts, guys, what a day today, November 8th, 2022. Mark it on your calendars. In my opinion, it's going to be a historic day. Why? We had one of the biggest candles, of the year. Wick included, obviously. As we can see, the biggest one happened on June. It was June 4th, 13th of 2022. And if you see this, I believe, let's analyze it. 26,900 all the way down to 20. Yeah, that was like a $4,000 or $5,000 candle. Today's candle is not as big, but it's the second biggest candle in 2022, and it happens to be a bearish one. So when you have candles like these, they're capitulation candles, just a lot of people giving up or fundamental events occurring in the cryptocurrency space, which again, we're going to review further into this video. But guys, what a candle. What a candle. What a time to be alive in crypto. I love this. I love the volatility. I love being alive in these key pivotal moments, that the market has, such as today. It's a $3,500 candle, guys, in less than 24 hours. Insanity, the volatility today. Today, the price started at $20,700. It was a high price compared to the $17,158 that we went down to. Again, all in a period less than 24 hours, marking a new pivot low for Bitcoin, guys. A new pivot technical low today, November 8th, 2022. Insane. Of course, we had massive buy orders here, as we can see through the buy wick, at least for this candle. So, a lot of people wanted to buy at the previous low. They set their buy orders. You're going to always have that push up, on the day, on the event when that happens. So it's a matter of if the next couple of candles is going to keep that downward momentum. So we're going to have to monitor that. But wow, we lived through a new Bitcoin low for 2022 in this bear market. Insane, incredible. This bearish red negative candle for the day. The candle part is still trying to remain above that $18,681, but it's already broken, key support levels of 20,000, 19,500, which is pivotal. And now, we're trying to battle this current level, to see if we're going to show some strength in Bitcoin, even though it definitely showed weakness today. When we go to a weekly time frame, we can see here that we're still below the 200-week moving average. And again, the same deal. We were breaking previous resistance, converting them into support, for the past couple of weeks, the last month. A lot of bullish momentum in Bitcoin, but in one day, in 24 hours, we can see the devastation on this weekly candle. Wow, insane. Same thing we're trying to hold again on the weekly. That pivotal $18,650 level is that new support that Bitcoin's trying to hold on to. We have to wait and see if it's actually going to do so. But again, if you see, there's no candle that has been this low or closed this low previously. for 2022. So again, guys, we have to wait and see. Maybe the buy wick here, massive buy week on the weekly candle, maybe it pushes price up, and by Sunday at the end of the day, maybe prices close above the previous. This was the previous one, $18,800. That's the lowest a candle has closed, as we can see here. So that'll be the pivotal level on a weekly time frame to close above that level. If not, then we should expect further downside. And again, this pivot low back here of 17,006 would be that next target with the weekly candle. The DXY, I thought it would actually be dumping more, but no, this event is more of a capitulation event regarding to crypto, and we're going to discuss FTT and the rumor mill going on with that. And as we can see, it definitely has affected price, so we're going to discuss that. But before we do see that the DXY, the Dixie, the dollar index, is just in this channel. Right now it's in this channel, top of the channel, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. So we should top again, but we'll wait and see what's going to happen. Again, this is a key level though, because we broke the blue trend line that has been acting as support, with the exception of a couple of fake outs for the calendar year of 2022. So we have 3 consecutive bearish candles on the DXY. That's not a good sign. That's showing weakness. After this fake out here, we actually broke below the blue line, and then we also broke below, or currently with today's candle, that 110.195 key support level, and we're trying to turn it into resistance right now with today's candle. So we have to wait and see how the candle's gonna close. But for now, in these short time frames on the daily candle, is showing weakness, the DXY, if you ask me. So it's all about if this channel continues to hold. If not, then we expect further downside towards the 100 level. But we have to monitor the situation, wait and see to see how the dollar index is going to react. So today's video is all about the crypto crash, the capitulation event. Wow, there was rumors that FTT was going through a liquidity crisis, and that Binance was taking over their direct competitor, which was FTT. And those are fundamental events that affect the whole market. When these centralized exchanges over leverage, then it can cause drastic price action and fundamental changes in the market. And as we can see, Bitcoin reflected that with its daily candle. Capitulation, just people quitting, giving up, selling into the fear, and then the same thing with FTT. We see that $22.45 level was key market structure, key support, and it in less than 24 hours just broke it down all the way down to $2.50. Insane. If you take a measured move from the beginning or the opening of that the top of that candle, top of that wick, is essentially a 90% drop less than 24 hours. Wow. Cryptocurrency. It sucks for those that had FTX, or had the FTT token. But the volatility, man, crypto is unique. Wow. Hopefully a lot of people didn't get affected by this. It's tough. I know, I've been through this to a certain extent, but who knows? It might be a great opportunity. This is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, but wow, insane volatility. And let's actually analyze, the performance in the past 7 days. We immediately start with Bitcoin, BTC, the king, currently at around $18,651, down 8.81%. For the past 7 days. Ethereum, number 2, currently at $1,331, down 15.28%. Number 3, BNB, currently at around $319, only down 1.74%, staying strong. Number 4, XRP, the scam, currently at around 40 cents, down 12.87%. And then number 5, to round it off, we do see that Cardano has overtaken Dogecoin once again for that top 5 position at around 37 cents, down 7.62% in the week. Then we start off with the top 5 worst performing assets during the last 24 hours and during the last week. Obviously, you see similar 75% drops. Wow. Or FTX token. Man, it was $25 like 2 or 3 days ago and is already $5. Insane time to be alive and in crypto. What a video. I mean, this video is gonna be legendary for the ages, because we're gonna always be able to go back to these times, you know, and what a time to be alive and in crypto. Number 2, we have Chain XCN down 35.81. Man, what a day. Then we have Dogecoin, the dog coin, currently at around 8 cents, down 37.13%. Number 4, we have Aptos at about $5.30, down 35.73%. And then we have Ethereum Powwow, currently at around $4.51, down 28.15%. Man, it hurts. It hurts, guys. It ain't easy, man. Crypto ain't for everyone, but it's certainly for us, and that's what matters. Then we move on to the top 5 best performing assets. Okay, a little bit of hope in the market. It's a crazy day in crypto, but hey, look. In the last 7 days, we have OKB, that is an exchange coin as well, is actually at $21.37, up 30% for the week. Number 2, Polygon Matic at about $1 a pop, is up about 20% for the week. Number 3, Arweave at about $11.59, up 14%. Number 4, Litecoin, the silver to Bitcoin's gold, currently at around $56.90, 57 bucks, is up 3.45%. And then number 5, Pax Gold. This is a stable coin essentially for gold's price at $1,697, up 3.46%. Man, wow, what a time to be alive, to be in crypto. If you enjoy this content, make sure you guys sub to our YouTube channel. I would gladly appreciate it. Make sure you guys like the video. Smash that like button. I would also appreciate it. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Stay safe out there. Have a good one.